Hi everyone, it's Liam from Blackpool TSI. I hope you're all okay. And today I've got a quick video walk around of this 2023 CUPRA Formentor. Now of course you do get full LED headlights, daytime running lights, cornering lights and fog lights. You get front parking sensors. You also get these brilliant, freshly refurbished 18-inch alloy wheels. Of course I will go into each and every one just so you can get an idea of the design pattern. Coming around to the rear, we've got your rear parking sensors as well. Then coming into the car, inside the tailgate, you'll see that we do have plenty of room inside the boot. You've got 60/40 split folding rear seats, which you can fold down with a lever on either side. Now when they do fold down currently, they will fold flat with the boot floor. But what you see here, you can pull the boot floor out, push backwards, and it will increase the boot capacity for any larger objects. Then coming back out and around again, showing you the rear alloy just here. In the back of the car now we have your part leather, part cloth interior with your copper stitching for the CUPRA. You've got ISOFIX mounting points at the bottom, full electric windows all around, full keyless entry and start. And then coming inside the car, we then have your auto hold, electric handbrake, central lock-in, DSG gearbox, engine start stop, wireless phone charging pad, 2 USB Type-C charging ports. Then we also have your touchscreen display in the middle. Now of course you get full satellite navigation. You get your various media sources just here, along with your various radio sources. Then you've also got your full link. This enables Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, which you will see just here, as you can see there. Then over to the steering wheel, we've got your adaptive cruise control on the left hand side with your volume in the corner. Over on the right hand side we've got your track select, heated steering wheel and your onboard computer controls, as you do have the large digital cockpit. Now you do have the choice of 5 different views, so we've got number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Never mind, tell a lie, there is 6 different views for your digital display. But most importantly, while we are here, you can see that this car has done 14,936 miles. Jumping back outside the car now, showing you the last remaining alloy. If you do of course require any further information on this CUPRA Formentor, don't hesitate to get in contact with our dealership and one of our sales team can provide you the personalised video. We thank you for your time and we hope to hear from you soon here at Blackpool TSI.